it was considered a great honor or a sign of favor. In other words, etafuleni lenkosi uNebukadnezar ngoba wayeyinkosi kahle noma uba okusho ukuthi uma wawudlile etafuleni layo wawune-favor noma wawubukeka njengomuntu ofumane umusa futhi kwakuyi-honor enkulu kakhulu bazalwane. AS4 i-characteristic esiyibonayo, it was worldly influence. In other words bazalwane, kwakhona i-influence, itafula laNebukadnezar liyasymbolize noma liyasikhombisa i-influence yezwe bazalwane ngoba uDaniel nabangani bakhe babona ukuthi itafula yebo lidekiwe lihle impela kukhona konke esingakucabanga, kepha bathi uma bewelibheka itafula abalibonanga kuyilezi zinto abanye bakubona kuyikho ukuthi sidle etafuleni lenkosi, kunalokho bona babona kuyisilingo bazalwane ukuthi bedle bazalwane etafuleni lenkosi ngoba bazalwane lokho bakubona kuyindlela ukuthi bazalwane okusisakhuluma bazalwane ngaphansi kwetafula laNebukadnezar ukuthi itafula laNebukadnezar, it was a symbol of an offer for a sacrifice. In other words, if there was an offer presented to you, wakhona isacrifice okwakumele uyenze. uNebukadnezar ngenkathi ethi mabedle etafuleni lakhe kwakungasikhona isipho, it was an offer, it was an invite ukuthi wozani nizodle etafuleni lami. But kwakungagcini lapho, there had to be a sacrifice bazalwane obakumele beyenze. So i-offer yayithi mabadle bazalwane labantu lezi iboshwa zaseJerusalem mabadle etafuleni laNebukadnezar. But ngeke kuze kugcine lapho, khona into obona akumele beyisacrifice, and into abakumele beyisacrifice, it was their commitment to uNkulunkulu. So if wawumntwana waka-Israyeli wayesuka eJerusalem, uma usudlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar kwakungagcini lapho, hayi ngoba nakho wawuzodla ubest kuphele kanjalo. There was something that you had to sacrifice, and kwakuyi-commit kaNkulunkulu, and it was i-commitment yakho kuNkulunkulu. And it is for that reason Daniel bathi uma belibheka itafula laNebukadnezar ba understand ukuthi le offer lena hayi ngoba nakho sizodla kuphele kanjalo, kuzodingeka ukuthi kube khona into esize compromise, kuzoba khona into okuzomela kusisacrifice, and leyo nto leyo thina ngeke size sikwazi ukuyisacrifice ngoba kuzomela sisacrifice i-commitment yethu kuNkulunkulu ebese sikhonza uNkulunkulu bala eBabylon bazalwane. Now ke bazalwane, into engithanda ukukhuluma ngayo futhi i-sacrifice. Izinto okwakumele uyisacrifice bazalwane, aside from i-commitment kuNkulunkulu, eyokuqala it was your integrity, in other words your image. If wawumntwana kaNkulunkulu usasusiwe eBabylon, uma usudlile kuleli tafula laNebukadnezar wawunikela nge-image yakho, ngesithunzi sakho, your integrity. In other words, kwase kusulwa ukuthi wawumntwana kaNkulunkulu, kwase kusulwa ukuthi wawukhonza uNkulunkulu ophilayo. In other words, wawusukhonza onkulunkulu basemhlabeni. In other words, isithunzi sakho, your image and your integrity, you had to sacrifice it uma usudlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Okwesibili bazalwane, kwakuthatha i-self control, because oDaniel bazalwane nabo babeyinyama, babebona ukuthi etafuleni laNebukadnezar kwakukhona ubest, everything was in abundant, it was rich, it was luxury. But ba understand ukuthi uma sidlile la, in other words sobe sihlulwa i-self control. So enye into bazalwane yayenza ukuthi uma usudlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar bazalwane wawulahlekelwa i-self control. Okwesithathu nokugcina wawulahlekelwa i-obedience kuNkulunkulu. Uma usudlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar wawusozoba obedient kumthetho waNebukadnezar. Ingakho bazalwane sabona ukuthi bazalwane noma sebekhandela oDaniel icebo bazalwane lokuthi Nkosi usukhiphile umthetho ukuthi wonke umuntu uzokhothamela uNkulunkulu bala, kepha uDaniel yena usakhothama kuNkulunkulu wakhe. The reason why uDaniel waqhubeka bazalwane waba obedient kuNkulunkulu ingoba i-obedience yakhe ayilahlekanga ngoba akadlanga etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Bonke laba uDaniel ayethunjwe nabo bazalwane bona bakwazi ukuthi bekhothame kubani koNkulunkulu baseBhabhiloni ngoba bazalwane basebedlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar. And uma usudlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar bazalwane kwakukhona ama-sacrifices okwakumele uwa-sacrifice, kwakukhona ama-compromises okwakumele uwenze, and kwakuyi-integrity, isithunzi sakho. Okwesibili i-self-control, and okwesithathu it was your obedience to God. So the reason why even no Shadrach, no Meshach, no Abednego nabo baze bafakwe emlilweni bazalwane, it's because nabi obedience yabo for uNkulunkulu yayisakhona, akuvumanga ukuthi bekhothamela uNkulunkulu bazalwane baseBabylon. It is because abadlanga etafuleni laNebukadnezar. It is because bazalwane njengoba desengishilo ukuthi itafula laNebukadnezar, it symbolized i-temptation bazalwane, it symbolized bazalwane an offer ukuthi ucompromise your commitment to uNkulunkulu, because bona abadlanga bakhetha bazihlukanisela ukuthi ngeke size sizingcolise ngokudla kwaseBabylon newayini lakhona bazalwane, baqhubeka bazalwane beme okholweni lakho bazalwane. And enye into okumele uyazi ke bazalwane ukuthi uma isibiki, so bese sishilo bazalwane ukuthi okokuqala itafula laNebukadnezar liza ne-offer, and i-offer yakhona ithi idla etafuleni lala. But uma usudlile bazalwane usuyithathile i-offer akugcini lapho. Uma uyithatha i-offer kumele kube khona i-sacrifice, nawe kumele kuba khona into ozonikela ngayo. And uma isibile khona i-sacrifice akugcini lapho bazalwane. kuba ne-reward bazalwane. So firstly you accept the offer, uyayithatha i-offer yokudla etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Okwesibili there is a sacrifice that is required. Ngeke nje udle etafuleni lenkosi udle obest kuphele kanjalo, nawe kumele ube khona i-sacrifice ozoyisacrifice. But akugcina kwi-sacrifice there is a reward bazalwane for i-sacrifice. Now kuhlukile-ke bazalwane, for laba abadle etafuleni laNebukadnezar bazalwane bayithatha i-offer. No Daniel nabo baba nayo i-offer bazalwane. So laba bazalwane abangala laba ba-conform to the standards bazalwane of Babylon, bona bayi-accept i-offer yokuthi bedle etafuleni laNebukadnezar. And the sacrifice yabo kwabo ukuthi bazalwane ba-sacrifice isithunzi sabo, i-self-control ne-obedience to uNkulunkulu. And their reward nabo bayithole i-reward, but their reward was a worldly reward. Kwakuyi-reward eyasemhlabeni bazalwane. Kepha Daniel ngala nabo bayithole i-offer bazalwane. I-offer yathi yidlane etafuleni laNebukadnezar, but bona bazalwane bayi-rejecta le offer. Bathatha i-offer yokuthi bazalwane asizukuzingcolisa ngoba bazalwane nasezulwini yayikhona i-offer koDaniel ukuthi ningayithatha le offer yasemhlabeni ukuthi nidle etafuleni laNebukadnezar, kepha naphezulu ezulwini ikhona i-offer ekhishiwe ethi zinqumeleni nina ukuba ningazingcolisi. Bayithatha-ke bazalwane noDaniel noShadrach noMeshach le offer yasezulwini, bona bayithatha ngesemhlabeni bathathe yasezulwini ukuthi ngeke size singcolise. Bathi uma sebeyithathile le offer nabo bazalwane there was a sacrifice. I-sacrifice yabo kwabo ukuthi bazalwane impilo zabo babazalwane babengayisabeli. So in other words kwakumele be-sacrifice even nangokuthi uma kubiza ukuthi sifake emlilweni singafakwa ngenxa kaNkulunkulu. In other words bakhetha ukuthi beyi-sacrifice bona, bakhetha ukuthi ngcono si-sacrifice inyama yethu. And i-reward yabo yabakhona bazalwane kwabo ukuthi uNkulunkulu wavela esimeni sabo njengendoda yesinye wabalwela bazalwane. Now bazalwane sesubonile umehluko phakathi kwalaba abadla etafuleni laNebukadnezar nalaba abangadlanga. Sesibonile ukuthi kubona bonke labantu bobabili bazalwane kwabakhona i-offer. Uma sekubile khona i-offer kwadingeka i-sacrifice. Uma isikhona i-sacrifice ne-reward bazalwane ibe khona for both parties. Laba abadla etafuleni laNebukadnezar bazalwane i-reward yabo bazalwane it was worldly reward. Kepha laba bathatha i-offer yasezulwini i-reward yabo bazalwane ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo wayibonakalisa bazalwane eBhabheloni kwaze kwazeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu woDaniel bazalwane uyena uNkulunkulu oseyakukhonzwa bazalwane egameni kaJesu. So bazalwane njengoba sesitshila ukuthi sikhuluma ngetafula laNebukadnezar, ngithanda sibheke kakhulu bazalwane laba bazalwane abadla etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Ngengigxile kakhulu bazalwane kulaba abangadlanga ngoba siyabona ukuthi bona abadlanga bazalwane futhi uNkulunkulu wabagcina wayibonakalisa kubo. Indaba yami bazalwane namhlanje ikulabazalwane laba abathi bazalwane bethunjiwe bezazi kahle ukuthi singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Kepha bathi mase befikile eBabylon bazalwane bavuma ukuthi beconforme to the standards of uBabylon. Bavuma ukuthi bedle beyingcolise ngokudla kwasetafuleni laNebukadnezar. Bayivumela bazalwane ukuthi benikele ngeobedience yabo kuNkulunkulu, banikela ngeself control yabo, banikela bazalwane ngesithunzi sabo, badla ba-enjoya the abundance, the luxury and the riches of itafula laNebukadnezar. Bahluleka uku-understand ukuthi kahle kahle itafula laNebukadnezar bazalwane it was there to assimilate them, it was there to transform them. Yayikhona ukuzobaguqula ukuthi bamkele usiko bazalwane lwaseBhabhiloni. Uma sebelamkelile usiko lwaseBhabhiloni bamkele nama-values aseBhabhiloni. In other words babengeke besaveluisha lokho okuveluisha uNkulunkulu, base bezoveluisha iy'thixo njengalaba baseBhabhiloni, base bezoveluisha bazalwane ukukhonza abanye onkulunkulu njengaseBhabhiloni. And okugcina bazalwane they chose the way of life yaseBhabhiloni. In other words bayinqumela ukuthi bayayilahla indlela yempilo uNkulunkulu ayebafundise ngayo eJerusalem bazalwane, because basebedlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar kwabaphoqa ukuthi benze sacrifice yokuthi sebezophila njengabantu baseBhabhiloni, even though bazi kahle ukuthi basuka eJerusalem kuNkulunkulu ophilayo bazalwane. Now good Daniel chapter 1 verse 5 bazalwane lithi the king assigned them a daily amount of food and wine from the king's table. Now bazalwane good Daniel chapter 1 verse 5 iphathe ngithanda ngi-understand ukuthi every day ngemuva ukuthi inkosi ithi baletheni phambi kwami yaqale yathi thathani izithunjwa zaseJerusalem bese niyithathile nibanike ukudla kwasetafuleni lami newayini. But lithi izwi laNkulunkulu lana he assigned them a daily amount amount. In other words, every day there was a daily offer. Every day kwakukhona i-offer yokuthi idle etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Nangakusasa kwafika ngi-daily offer yidle etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Nangakusasa yidle etafuleni laNebukadnezar bazalwane. Nangala koDaniel yayikhona i-offer yasezulwini ithi khetha ukuthi ungayingcolisi ngokudla kwala. Nangakusasa futhi there was a daily offer ethi khetha ukuthi ningayingcolisi. So ngala koDaniel bazalwane kwakuvela i-offer yasezulwini daily ethi ningazingcolisi. Ngala inkosi yathi every day give them a daily amount of food and wine bazalwane. But lithi izwi laNkulunkulu in the New Testament uJesu mefundisa abafundi bakhe ukukhuleka uthi uma nikhuleka noNkulunkulu anothi Nkosi every day give us our daily bread. So la siyathola ukuthi kwakukhona i-daily amount of food and wine from itafula laNebukadnezar. In other words, there was a daily offer yokuthi nilingeke nishintshe niye kuNkulunkulu wenu nize kwindlela zaseBabylon. But ngala kweNew Testament uJesu bazalwane uthi uma nikhula kuNkulunkulu anothi Nkosi siphe isinkwa sethu semihla ngemihla. Engizama ukuya kukho bazalwane ukuthi every day there is an offer. Every day there is an offer ukuthi bazalwane udle etafuleni laNebukadnezar. But at the same time uthi uJesu ikhona indlela yasezulwini yokuthi uyibalekele i-offer yokuthi uyingcolise ngetafula laNebukadnezar. Indlela yokuthi inqobe lo sesilinga ukuthi uma ukhuleka kuNkulunkulu uthi Baba give us our daily bread. So bazalwane mase uDaniel 1 verse 8 athi uDaniel 1 verse 13 athi they then compared our appearance with that of the young men who ate the royal food. Now bazalwane sengivala uDaniel chapter 1 verse 13 lithi izwi laNkulunkulu bathi bazalwane sebedlile laba abasetafuleni laNebukadnezar nalaba bangadlanga sebefikile bama phambi kwenkosi. Lithi izwi laNkulunkulu there was a comparison in appearance. In other words, inkosi yathi uma ibabheka laba oDaniel yabona ukuthi labo Daniel no Shadrach bahlukile kunalaba. So bazalwane in other words akafani umuntu odlile etafuleni laNebukadnezar nongadlanga bazalwane. Laba babedle from ubest kepha laba bangakhetha ukungcolisa kuNkulunkulu yathi uma inkosi sebebekiwe bonke babesuke eJerusalem bazalwane kepha bathi uma bebhekwa lithi izwi laNkulunkulu kwaba ne comparison of appearance. In other words bathi uma bebebuka babengasafani bazalwane. In other words once wadle etafuleni laNebukadnezar awubusafana nalo omntwana kaNkulunkulu bazalwane. And bazalwane uMatthew 6 verse 21 verse 23 uthi verse 21 where the treasure is there the desires of your heart will also be. In other words bazalwane la uJesu bazalwane wayeseseka le ndaba le bazalwane yetafula yaNebukadnezar kuDaniel chapter 1 okuwukuthi bazalwane la khona ingcibo yakho ikhona. In other words la lento la khona ivalue yakho uyibeka khona inhliziyo yakho izoba khona. In other words if uvaluisha imali kakhulu kusho ukuthi inhliziyo yakho isemalini. If uvaluisha utshwala kakhulu inhliziyo yakho isotshwaleni. But if uvaluisha uNkulunkulu inhliziyo yakho ikuNkulunkulu. Ebese to verse 22 your eye is the lamp that provides light for your body. When your eye is healthy your whole body is filled with light. So la uJesu bazalwane uthi iso lakho liyisibani somzimba wonke. Ngamanye amazwi bazalwane iso lakho ilona eliletha ukukhanya kumzimba wakho. In other words if iso lakho li healthy bazalwane umzimba wakho wonke uzogcwala ngokukhanya. Bese verse 23 athi kepha uma ihlo lakho lingekho healthy bazalwane umzimba wakho uzogcwaliswa ngobumnyama. In other words ihlo lo Daniel bazalwane lali healthy ngoba bakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngeke size sikwazi ukuyingcolisa ngetafula laNebukadnezar. So ngeke size sihle because ihlo labo lali healthy umzimba wabo wonke wagcwala ngokukhanya. Bathi uma sebeqhathaniswa nabanye babonakala bengcono bazalwane. Laba bazalwane because bahluleke ukubona ukuthi itafula laNebukadnezar lizofuna ukuthi lisishintshe lisiguqule ukholo lwethu. Ihlo labo labazalwane it was unhealthy. Because it was unhealthy umzimba wabo wonke bazalwane wawugcwele ngobumnyama. So nje bazalwane namhlanje bengithanda ukuzokhuthaza ukuthi singadli bazalwane etafuleni laNebukadnezar. But i-offer ikhona yokuthi ungadla noma ungangadla. But ama consequences akhona bazalwane ngokudla etafuleni laNebukadnezar. Amen.